Hello future doctors and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your physics knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is all statements are correct about the law of motion except A. Force has equal magnitude, B. Both of them have opposite direction, C. Both are applied on different bodies, and C. D. Both are applied on same body maintaining equilibrium. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is a mass has constant acceleration. What is true about force applied on it? A. Constantly increasing. B. Constant but not zero. C. It is directly proportional to square of displacement, and D is directly proportional to velocity. So the correct option is D, is directly proportional to velocity. The next MCQ is if temperature is increased from 200 K to 800 Kelvin, then what would be the change in pressure at constant volume? A. Increase by a factor 4. B. Decrease by a factor 4. C. Increase by a factor 2. D. Decrease by a factor 2. So the correct option is A. Increase by a factor 4. The next MCQ is if each particle of fluid is passing through same point, what would be the flow? A. Linear. B. Streamline. C. Tubular. And D. Both A and B. So the correct option is B. Streamline. The next MCQ is density of blood is A. More than water. B. Less than that of water. C. Nearly equal to water. And D. 3 times greater than water. So the correct option is A. More than water. The next MCQ is a body moving on a fluid will experience A. Drag force. B. Centripetal force. C. Centrifugal force. And D. Tubular force. So the correct option is A. Drag force. The next MCQ is if a substance can undergo plastic deformation until it breaks, it is A. Ductile substance, B. Brittle substance, C. Crystalline substance, and D. Polymeric substance. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is if stress is applied on a body, then ratio of change in volume of original volume will be A. Polymeric strain, B. Volumetric strain, C. Pillar strain, and D. Tensile strain. So the correct option is D. Tensile strain. The next MCQ is if a wave can be polarized, it means it is A. Longitudinal wave, B. Stationary wave, C. Superimposed wave, and D. Transverse wave. So the correct option is D. Transverse wave. The next MCQ is the electron dash current is chiefly due to A. Cathode, B. Gate, C. Anode gated, and D. Screen. So the correct option is A. Cathode. The next MCQ is if wire having current 10A has 3T magnetic field, what will be the magnetic field at double of the distance? A. Reduced by factor 2. B. Reduced by factor 4. C. Become doubles, and D. Become triple. So the correct option is D. Become triple. The next MCQ is what is true regarding magnetic force and magnetic intensity. A. If electron's movement is parallel to magnetic field, it will rotate clockwise. B. If electron movement is parallel to magnetic field, it will rotate anticlockwise. C. If electron enters perpendicular to field, force would be parallel to plane. And D. If electron enters perpendicular to the field, force will be maximum. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is a real image formed by convex lens is always A. Erect, B. Inverted, C. Magnified, and D. Diminished. So the correct option is C. Magnified. The next MCQ is what is true about electric field and electric force? A. Electric fields line are towards negative and electron flow in same direction. B. Electron field lines are towards positive and electron flow in opposite direction. C. Electron field lines are towards negative and electrons flow in opposite direction. And D. Electric field lines are towards positive and electrons flow in same direction. So the correct option is A. Electric field lines are towards negative and electron flow in the same direction. The next MCQ is if electron passes through axis of solenoid, the moment will be A towards the outward, B towards the inward, C parallel to its motion, and D no force acts on it. So the correct option is C, parallel to its motion. The next MCQ is ejection of electrons from metal surface due to heating effect is A. Thermonic emission, B. Photoelectric effect, C. Population inversion, C. D. Cathode expulsion. So the correct option is B. Photoelectric effect. The next MCQ is neutron rings are result of A. Polarization, B. Diffraction, C. Reflection, and D. Refraction. So the correct option is C. Reflection. The next MCQ is if amplitude is 200 and intensity is 300, when amplitude is increased to 800, then what will be intensity? A. 1200, B. 1400, C. 1600, and D. 1800. So the correct option is A. 1200. The next MCQ is electric conduction is high in A. Solid nuclei, B. Sugar solution, C. Solid graphite, and D. None. So the correct option is C. Solid graphite. The next MCQ is if speed of light is 10 meter per second, and its frequency is 5 Hz. Find its wavelength. A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 6. So the correct option is 2. The next MCQ is unit of gravitational constant G R A meter second per meter second meter per second meter second meter per second square and meter per second negative square. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is if power is 100 watt and voltage is 220, find the resistance. A 2.5, B 3.5, C 4.5, and D 5.5. So the correct option is A 2.5. The next MCQ is third law of Newton is also called A law of inertia, B equilibrium, C both A and B, and D none. So the correct answer is A law of inertia. The next MCQ is the fractional change in resistance per Kelvin is known as A. Temperature coefficient of resistance, B. Thermal coefficient, C. Linear coefficient of expansion, and D. Volumetric coefficient of expansion. The correct option is A. The next MCQ is to convert the Si crystal into P-type semiconductor, which group element be doped? A. Trivalent element, B. Second group element, C. Group 4 group element, and D. Pentavalent element. So the correct option is A. Trivalent element. The next MCQ is the current measuring part of the ammeter consists of number of low resistance connected. A. It in an angle of 180 with the galvanometer. B. Parallel with galvanometer. C. It an angle of 45 degree with the galvanometer. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the energy supplied by the cells to the charge carrier is derived from the conversion of A. Heat energy into chemical energy, B. Chemical energy into electrical energy, so solar energy into electrical energy, and D. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. So the correct option is A. The next MCQs is the deviation of one graph from straight lines is due to a decrease in temperature and decrease in resistance, B increase in temperature and increase in resistance, C decrease in temperature and increase in resistance, C D increase in temperature and decrease in resistance. So the correct option is D. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your physics skill. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.